To make it even easier to get weather when you need it, Forecast Bar supports Siri Shortcuts. Let's take a look at how to use those. As you use Forecast Bar, you may notice Siri Shortcuts showing up in your Spotlight search. You'll see here these are 2 recent searches that I've done within Forecast Bar, and they'll now appear automatically whenever Siri feels they're useful. So I can tap here to see the weather in the Statue of Liberty right in line without having to even open the app. I can also see it at my current location. Now, Forecast Bar has support for me to create a phrase that I can use as a Siri shortcut. To do that, we can go to the menu button, Settings, General, and then scroll down to tap to create Siri shortcut. I can record a saying, such as, "Give me the weather," and add that to Siri. Now, whenever I want the weather, all I have to do is say, "Hey Siri, give me the weather," and it will pop up a weather report right wherever I am. This is just one more way Forecast Bar provides you the weather, however, whenever, and wherever you need it.